Need a fast, affordable, and easy way to turn your M.2 SSD into a portable drive? Check out the ORICO M2 SSD Enclosure, now at a crazy 51% off, just $6.52. Click the link in the description below to grab yours while the deal lasts. This sleek aluminum enclosure supports both NVMe and SATA M.2 SSDs in sizes 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280 millimeters. And the best part? It's tool-free, so you can install your SSD in seconds without any screwdriver. It comes with a built-in metal heatsink for efficient cooling, keeping your SSD running fast and stable. With 10 gigabits per second transfer speed for NVMe drives and 5 gigabits per second for SATA, you can move large files in seconds. Perfect for expanding your storage, backing up data, or carrying your files anywhere. It supports up to 4 terabytes capacity, making it a compact yet powerful storage solution for professionals and casual users alike. The ORICO M2 SSD Enclosure is lightweight, fast, and built to last, all for just $6.52 right now. Click the link in the description below to buy and turn your SSD into a super fast portable drive today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and amazing deals.